po, wait lang. These tools as for evaluation of the questioner. Huh? Hindi ko magets. These tools as for evaluation. Hala, late na ako. Hindi pa ako nakapagsaing. Anong oras na ba? 5:45 na. Hala. Hindi ka man lang natapos?
Ate, nakapagsahin ka na ba? Malilate na ako.
Ate, yung uniform ko! May reporting pa kami!
Good morning po, ma'am. Sorry po, I'm late.
Just visit them. To interrupt your class.
Kausapin mo sa ano, para siyang irritable pagdating rin. Tig na naman siya, mawawala na lang sa susunod.
Nga pala na, kapag pinagpatuloy mo pang mali, wala na. Bye na.
I know, guys. Sorry. Nag-overtime kasi ako kagabi. Hindi ko pa nga natapos yung assignment ko eh.
Ana, alam ko na mangyayari yan, kaya ginawa na rin kita.
Galing mo talaga. Thank you.
Welcome.
Whatever. You owe us a coffee.
Ah?
Santos, okay ka lang ba? Ba't parang namumutla ka?
Okay. Okay lang po ako, ma'am. Sorry po. Medyo pagod lang po sa work.
No, I don't think you're fine. Excuse na lang muna kita sa classes ko at isusunod yung ako sa mga classes. Sa clinic ka na lang muna.
Ana! Okay ka lang ba? Ana! Boss! Tulong! Boss! Nasaan ka?
Miss Diana? Are you alright?
Don't worry, ma'am. I'm totally fine.
You look like you're gonna pass out.
Anna, I may be strict, but it doesn't mean na wala akong pakialam sa nararamdaman nyo. I can give you a day off, and you need it. Actually, for your mental health na rin. You've been here since the start of your second semester, right? And I know how hard it is na pinagsasabay mo ang pag-work at pag-aaral mo. Huwag mo abusuhin ang sarili mo. Give yourself some break, okay?
I appreciate your concern, ma'am, pero kailangan ko po talaga magtrabaho eh. Hindi lang po para sa akin, kundi para po rin sa kapatid ko.
Whatever you wish. Basta ako, pinayuhan na kita. And you have right naman para magpahinga for a while.
Ano, baka may extra ka dyan. Maalis na kami ng mga tita mo. Di ba nakasweldo ka na? Tapos nakakasenas ah.
Nay, wala na ho. Wala na nga tayong makain dito sa bahay.
Di ba, sa susunod na lang. Alis na ako ha. Ikaw na bahala sa mga kapatid mo ha.
Opo. Ay, nga pala, ma. Yung sa kuryente, nabayaran mo ba?
Teka, before deadline naman ako nagbibigay ng pambayad dito ah. Pero bakit parang napupunta lang sa wala yung pagod ko?
Go.
Gusto ko na magpahinga. Gusto ko.
Oh, Miss Santos. Okay ka na ba? Nga pala, may good news ako sa'yo.
Good morning po, ma'am. Ano po good news?
Good morning, Dong. Good morning naman. Doc Flores, this is my student, Diana Santos. And siya ang ating school counselor and therapist din siya sa St. Luke Hospital.
Good morning,
Good morning naman. Naiwan ko naman ang kayo, Doc. Salamat.
And ikaw yung student na nakaka-experience ng uneasiness and decreased heart rate, right?
Yes po, Doc. Irritable po ako lately.
Oh, nga. I think you're experiencing stress, Iha. And according to Stephanie Watson, 2024, stress is actually part of life. But for students young like you, it's not pretty normal. And you know, another information from Bethany Juby, Society 2025, stress is a natural reaction to specific demands and events, but ongoing stress can affect your health and well-being. You know, a few months ago, a recent AXA Mind Health study in the Philippines reported that 87% of Filipinos suffer from work-related stress, which exceeds world average rates of stress by 11%, and that includes you, Anna. Nga pala, I'll write you a to-do list, Miss Diana. This contains strategies para ma-overcome mo ang stress, okay?
Yes po, Doctor.
First is exercise. Exercise can reduce the emotional intensity of stress to clear your thoughts and improve your overall well-being. Second is breathing techniques. Deep breathing exercises such as the 4-7-8 technique can immediately reduce anxiety. And lastly, connecting. Simply connecting with other people. Sharing your concerns with people you trust provides emotional support, distraction, and new perspectives, which helps manage life's ups and downs. Connecting with a strong network of friends, family, or colleagues can significantly improve your resilience to stress.
Pasensya ka na, anak ha. Babawi ako sa inyo, promise.